Are you a lover of crypto airdrop, or you're tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Why not try crypto airdrops? It's just a free way of making money in cryptocurrencies without investing a dime. Here you just participate in activities of a crypto project and get paid in crypto when the coin is launched. But there is no maximum amount of money you can make with crypto airdrop. You can even make over $3,000 in a single project, depending on the project and your efforts. So currently there is a very promising crypto airdrop on ground called Ari Wallet. This is a very big project, a very promising one. The value of this Ari token is speculated to be from 0.5 to possibly over $4 when the project is launched, or when the token is launched. I think this is a very good project to participate on. And to join this Ari Wallet, you just have to go to Play Store or App Store, search for Ari Wallet, then download it, or you can download the app, mobile app, through the link I'm going to share below. And after downloading that, you are going to open the app just as you're seeing on this interface here. This is the interface of the app. You are going to click on this testnet. For my own case, I've already signed up. When you click on this testnet for the first time as a first user, it's going to take you to where you sign up. So once you get there, you click on sign up. So when you click on that testnet, it's going to take you to interface where you sign up. And once sign up, you are going to be seeing this kind of interface. So for those that have already signed up, once you click on that testnet, it's going to take you to activity areas where you perform your daily activities and earn your coins, accumulate your coins until the token is launched. Then they pay you in your wallet. So here are the activities available on Ari Wallet. Activities you can perform on daily basis on this Ari Wallet and be accumulating Ari token for yourself until it is launched. So here we have a daily check-in. Daily check-in pays you about 30 Ari tokens or Ari coin. Then you also have a social media account to follow, and also have a daily quiz. So the major daily activities on Ari Wallet are just two: daily check-in, which pays you about 30 Ari token, and also daily quiz, where you stand to answer simple questions on cryptocurrency, and if you get it right, they will give you credit with a 30 Ari token. So there are also another one here, which is general. General is just about following social media handles, and each of them that you follow is going to give you a certain amount of Ari token. So you also have a collabo where they refer you to some other projects that maybe they are supporting. So if you follow the project or participate also in the project, they're also going to be paying you Ari token. So these are just few activities you can perform daily on Ari Wallet and be accumulating this token until it's launched. And hopefully, with all faith in place, we believe that this is a very big project that is capable of giving you up to $1,000 if you are very serious with it. So, and while you register, before I forget, make sure that you use someone's referral code. Make sure you use someone's referral code. And in this case, since you are watching this video, make sure you use my referral code during the registration, and I'm going to share the referral code on the comment section or in the description of this video. And also, don't consume this information alone. This information is power. A single information like this capable of changing your financial status. And so share this information, share this video to anyone that you so much love, or to your family and friends, so that you also participate in this project with you, so that you don't stand to just enjoy this project all alone. So thank you guys, and see you in our next videos.